I very disappointed with the last short video. None of you guys put anything in the comments. I cannot believe that you did that. Only one guy from South Africa, Power Q21. He's the only one that wrote down his name and point of origin. So I can't believe you guys did that. So now you will suffer. All the equipment and giving it away to low subscribers. And those of you that have not been good to the channel are getting nothing. So it's your loss. Everything. Penny on the dollar. You weigh it, and whatever it weighs,